Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share my feedback for this cute and adorable journaling set that I got for my daughter. My daughter is 6 years old and I thought it would be very interesting for her to get her own diary and stickers and something she can document her daily activities. So as you see, this box was completely sealed and thankfully on its way to me, it never got damaged on the edges. So it's a perfect gift, I would imagine, even for grown-ups. The items inside, I'll just reveal them. They are so cute and adorable. So the first thing, once you open it up, you see this page. Now it can be used as a calendar, but it is just for 21 days. I think it's for the beginning, just to get them in a habit of documenting. So it's called 21 days, the deeds. So maybe just as a motivational thing, for good deeds, etc., they can document. The second thing is these rulers. So they fell out of their slot, but you can use them obviously to make straight lines or as a bookmark. They're relatively thin and I don't think I think in fact they would be perfect for a bookmark. So now I'm going ahead and struggling to take out this diary. Again, the inside is also sealed, which I really like. I mean, if you want to give somebody a gift or it's just good that everything is sealed and not opened. So I am struggling with it a bit, but it's alright. So this is again a good size for her to start, but more importantly, I like the pages inside. They're colorful. There's a small pop-up at the beginning, and all the things that are in the box goes along with the book. So there are small pictures, and obviously she can decorate it as per her choice. She can skip the pages or decide to write from just the first page itself. So I particularly really like this size. I mean, it's cute and it's just enough to keep in her bag, or if she's going to her friend's house, just enough to keep in her purse. The next thing, as you see here, is the washi tapes. Now there are around 8 or 7, I didn't count, but yeah, they are of different sizes and colors, and the colors really go good together with the book. And these are just some post-it notes she can use. Again, you can if, say for example, you're using this box for yourself, you can use all of these items for scrapbooking perhaps, or she can use it separately without using them in the book if she wants to be creative, want to make a greeting card, or just for daily notes. I really like the idea. And the last thing over here, it's like post-it notes. They don't have adhesive, but they do have each number, the day marked on it. So it's for 100 days, and I mean, it's just a lot of stuff for relatively okay price. I'll be adding all these details in the description below, and I just really like the box. I found it to be great for you yourself, or for to give it as a gift. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.